What are strategies, business strategies or revenue models employed by these CRISPR diagnostic companies? One is revenues through test kit sales. Companies like Sharma Mammoth has already marketed molecular test kits for COVID-19 flu, and licensing in OEM deals, as I explained, it's companion diagnostics, partnering with pharma companies. Next, platform as a service. Some firms license entire CRISPR diagnostic platform for third-party assay development and point of care focus. Now, the strategy of CRISPR companies is to decentralize their diagnostic platforms to develop the kits that patients can use at home. So, at home, CRISPR Cas-based kits is a new strategy employed by these CRISPR diagnostic companies. Next slide, please. Some of the points I explained that major funding rounds, most of these diagnostic companies have received funding rounds from various strategic pharma investors, and the timelines for development is 1 to 3 years in comparison with therapeutics, where you have 5 to 7 years for ex vivo and 7 to 10 years for in vivo diagnostics. CRISPR-based kits are developed in 1 to 3 years, and because of COVID-19, all these kits has faster approvals and they are developed within a year. Next, product pipeline. Many of these companies are focusing on oncology, antimicrobial resistance, or non-invasive prenatal testing. Next slide. Regulations, yes, emergency use are granted for COVID-19 kits, and high interest in CRISPR-based tests for malaria, TB, dengue, and the kits are also being developed in other countries apart from US, Europe, where generally therapeutics are most developed or concentrated in US, Europe. Diagnostic companies in India or companies in other APAC regions, China, are also developing or have marketed based diagnostic kits.